We have some manual handling tools on the far side of the vehicles, wheelbarrows, there's a few bags of cement there.
We use all the wheelbarrows. It's all manual labor. We are doing a playground for adults.
More pressure.
We're here with everyone all around the world doing this splash project. We all have different ideas. It took us a minute to fully understand how the wonky house was built.
It's nice to be with colleagues, and it's nice to do something for the community, to make sure that everybody knows what he has to do, to be organized.